Good morning. Welcome to the class. Today we will proceed the same chapter, water resources. In the previous class, we had discussed some major points like introduction, water management, then some projects run by central government. Today we will discuss the projects run by the Rajasthan government. These are also multi-purpose projects which are run by Rajasthan. Okay, now we will start. Number 1, that is Chambal Valley project. Second is Indira Gandhi Canal. It is also known as Rajasthan Canal. Third one is Mahi Bajaj Sagar project, and fourth one is Bisalpur project. There are many projects which are run by Rajasthan government, but these are major, and the other projects we will study about them in the next class. We will discuss them. First, Chambal Valley project, Indira Gandhi Canal project, Mahi Bajaj Sagar project, and Bisalpur project. You have to remind this name, you have to memorize these names. Next we will see them in detail. Now we will start with Chambal Valley project. I hope you understand the names. Chambal Valley project, Indira Gandhi Canal or Rajasthan Canal, Mahi Bajaj Sagar project, and Bisalpur project. Now we will discuss them in detail. So we will start with Chambal Valley project. First, Chambal Valley project, it is the joint venture project of two states, that is Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. You must memorize this. Okay, and it is built on Chambal River. It is built on Chambal River in 1953. It is built on Chambal River in 1953. Chambal River is the largest river of Rajasthan. Okay, and Chambal River the originating point of Chambal River is from Janpav Hills. Janpav Hills. Chambal River originate from Janpav Hills. You will ask Janpav Hills. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Why it is built on Chambal River? As you know that this is the largest river of Rajasthan, and because due to the erosion, this dam has been built on Chambal River. As you know that when the flood occurs, there is the lot of erosion, okay, due to the Chambal River. That's why it built on this river. Now you will see the phases, okay, in how many phases it has been completed. Okay, so we write down here Chambal Valley project has been completed in 3 phases. Okay, first, that is Gandhi Sagar Dam. Actually we can write here that there are 4 dams have been built, okay, in 3 phases it has been completed. Gandhi Sagar Dam, okay, it has been constructed in the Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh, second phase. In the first phase, Gandhi Sagar Dam has been built, and in the second phase, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. Okay, it is built in Rawatbhata. Rawatbhata is situated in Chittorgarh actually. Now see, this dam has been built in Madhya Pradesh and the remaining dams are built in Rajasthan. Okay, now third, Jawahar Sagar Dam. Jawahar Sagar, it is pickup dam, and it is built in, we can write here, on the border of Bundi. It is on the border of Bundi. And in this project there is Kota barrage also. I will tell you what is barrage. Kota barrage has been built in Kota, and powerhouse also built. Kota barrage is built in, and powerhouse has been built in Kota. It is about the Chambal Valley project. I hope you understand. Okay, you have to memorize these points. Joint venture of two states, built on which river? That is Chambal River in 1953. It originates from Janpav Hills and it is the largest river of Rajasthan. Chambal Valley project has three phases. Gandhi Sagar Dam in the first phase, Gandhi Sagar Dam in Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh. Second phase, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam, Rawatbhata, Chittorgarh. Jawahar Sagar, third phase. In the third phase, Jawahar Sagar pickup dam on the border of Bundi. Okay, and Kota barrage in Kota. Okay, and there is powerhouses has been built also in Kota. So this is about the Chambal Valley project. Now we are going to see the next one is Indira Gandhi Canal. So I hope you understand. Now we are going to see the next project is Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is also known as Rajasthan Canal. You know that in the western part of Rajasthan there is the Thar desert, okay, and you know that there is scarcity of rainfall, and due to this the desertification has been taking place. So to prevent the desertification and to supply the water for drinking and for irrigation, this canal has been built. So let's start, that is second, Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal. Now we will start about this. Okay. First of all, okay, you have to memorize that it is the largest canal of Asia. It is the largest man-made canal. Man-made canal. It is the largest man-made canal of Asia. Okay, and it is built on which river? You have to memorize this. It is built on Haraik barrage. Now what is the barrage? I will tell you later. Haraik barrage. Okay, actually barrage is the place where the canals are excluded from the river. Okay, barrage is the place where the canals are derived canals are dug out, canals are carved out, or canals are excluded from the river. Okay, now see, it is Haraik barrage, okay, on the confluence point. What is confluence point? This is the place where the two rivers meet, okay, on the confluence point of two rivers, that is Satluj and Vyas river. Satluj and Vyas river. Okay, it is built on Haraik barrage, okay, on the confluence point of river Satluj and Vyas. Okay, now what is the aim? Let's see what is the aim. As you know that in the Thar desert, we can say that in the desert areas, due to the scarcity of rainfall, there is the shortage of water. So to supply water for irrigation, drinking, and you know that due to the desert, okay, the land becomes waste, okay, to make the use of wasteland, okay, this is the aim. Now we see that this canal has been completed in two phases. This canal has been completed in two phases. So let's see. It is completed in two phases. First is feeder canal, okay, and second is main canal. First is feeder canal and second is main canal. Okay, now first feeder canal. What is actually the length of this canal is 649 kilometer. 649 kilometer. It is the total length. Now how much is feeder canal and what is the length of main canal? So let's see. 204 kilometer is feeder canal. 204 kilometer is feeder canal and 445 kilometer is main canal. Now what is feeder canal? The canal of which the water is not used for any purpose. The canal of which water is not used for any purpose, it is called feeder canal. Okay, now what is main canal? The canal of which water is used. The canal of which water is used. Now see, destination of feeder canal and main canal. Destination of feeder canal and main canal. So let's start. It is from the originating point. Originating point to Masitawali. Now what is Masitawali? Masitawali is the place which is situated in Hanumangarh. Masitawali is the place, it is situated in Hanumangarh. Okay, this is the originating point. Originating points means Haraik barrage. Okay, from Haraik barrage to Masitawali. And what about the main canal? Okay, from Masitawali to, okay, Mohangarh. Actually it is situated in Jaisalmer. Masitawali to Mohangarh. Now this canal has been tried to extend it to the Badmer, that is there is the place Gadra road. It is extended up to that, okay, to use make the use of water. This is the main canal, Masitawali to Mohangarh, and this is feeder canal, originating point to Masitawali. Okay, now let's see What is the benefit? How much area get the benefit by this canal? So see here, benefit. Okay, by this canal, with the help of this canal, okay, at least 9 districts, 29 towns and 3,461 villages got the benefit. 9 districts, 29 towns and 3,461 villages have been benefited. And how much area has been got irrigated? 17.61 crore hectare of land irrigated. 17.61 crore hectare of land is irrigated. Okay, this is the about Indira Gandhi canal. Now see, okay, you have understood this much. Next, you know that there are lift canals. The slope of the Thar desert is towards the western side, okay, and there is the height towards the eastern side. Actually, to supply the water towards the eastern side, water is lifted, okay, water is lifted to some canals, and these canals are called lift canal. Okay, so I write here, there are 7 lift canals. There are 7 lift canals have been derived from Indira Gandhi canal. Have been derived from Indira Gandhi canal or Rajasthan canal. Okay, I will give you some definitions later. I hope you understand this much. Thank you.